did you get?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be unboxing some stuff that we got from Target. I found these Wacky package minis. They are little mini foods that you can find at Target. They were really hard to find. Yeah, the barcode for this, and we found the barcode, and then we went to go scan it, and it didn't show up what how much it was, and then I'm pretty sure we just got this for like $1 or something.
Well, the cashier said she doesn't know, so she charged us $4.
So she charged us $4, yeah.
So I don't even know if that's like by itself, or if you can buy it as a item, or if it came in a package. Who knows what? But we got lucky. So we're gonna open it. And my thing doesn't zoom anymore, so you're gonna have to
rip this first.
Here, let's do this.
Just ripping it real quick.
I don't think you need to rip that all off.
I want to.
Oh, all right.
We can reuse it for a trash can.
Oh, for the Barbie dolls?
Yep.
Fold it in half so it doesn't stick to everything. So that's the packaging that she just ripped off, by the way. Wacky Packages Minis. 3D puny products. Let me see the top real quick.
And that's what it looks like. First, we have Thing Mints. Girl Scouts. They're so tiny. Can you, like, open them? I don't think so.
Let's see, show it.
The little Thing Mints. And then...
So instead of Thin Mints, they're Thing Mints.
Yep.
There's
And
not going to be anything
there's
in
a
there.
sticker, and then...
What is it, a sticker?
And then...
Oh, instead of Jell-O, it's J-Lo. That's pretty funny.
And then there's some more.
Here, we'll just put them all right here.
In here. There's some more packaging in here.
What'd you get?
Some blind bags. Oh, this feels nice.
Oh, so you got to rip it open?
Yep.
Oh, let's see.
And then we have...
What's in there? Oh, a little Hit Kat instead of Kit Kat. Let's see. You gotta show it up to the camera.
Little Hit Kat. And then next we have... It feels like another box of... Like that, sort of. Oof. Oh, this is Scam.
Oh, we got Scram instead of Spam. Let's see. Oh my goodness, look at it. It looks like an actual little tiny can. Oh, come on, zoom.
And then, oh, we got the little...
Oh, let's see which ones you got.
Yeah, a little, what's it called?
Hot Wheels.
You can get Hot Wheels.
Yeah. Okay.
All sorts of stuff in there.
We'll keep that.
And then here's another one.
I like the Spam one.
I hope we get no
That's pretty
doubles.
funny. I don't know. I don't think they do doubles.
Sometimes, maybe.
Well, if we get another one of these packages, then we might get doubles. Oh, instead of Wheaties, they're Weekies.
Oh my. And then we have
That's pretty funny.
one more in here. This feels like a bottle. This feels like a bottle. It's very small. So, oof, that's hard to open.
Well, it's pretty open, no? Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh.
Is that chapstick?
It says nerds. It should have been maybe hurt. No, garlic.
Garlic?
Nerds.
Oh, nerds maybe.
Maybe.
Like a little tiny candy.
I thought it was like...
I think it's those, I don't think it's nerds. I think it's something else, but that's pretty funny.
So we have Kit Kats, Scram, Nerds.
What else is in there?
It's just like another...
Oh, it's the, so it says it's a series 1.
So we have all of that in there. Put that in a little trash bin.
So let's see. World's smallest official Wacky Packages Minis. 3D puny products. So you can get all kinds of different ones.
Yeah.
Well, cool. That's kind of fun.
Oh, we can check which ones we have. So, Band-Aid. There's Band-Aids and stuff. So,
we got the Wikis.
So
I don't know what that means. And that's like a star, that's extra.
Oh, we got this.
We got
I
those.
think star means like super rare or ultra
Look at the
rare.
sticker. It's a sticker.
What does that mean? This is old school checklist, and that's rare.
Oh, look at that. So we got, well, that's weird. Oh, I guess these three are the rare. So we got the J-Lo sticker, and that's rare, huh?
We got this.
Yep.
This.
And I guess there's 66 in it.
Yeah, there's 66 that you can collect, and that is.
Here, put your sticker in there since it's super rare. Okay, we'll put these in there.
Oh, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you don't miss on any of on any of our videos.
Okay.